Hello, my name is Mary Jane Noah at Emilio Realty. Today we're featuring a one-bedroom unit in the heart of Mount Pleasant. If you're looking for a vibrant community that has a very convenient city living, this location has it all. From here, you're located steps away from Broadway City Hall SkyTrain station, giving you effortless access to downtown Vancouver, as well as Richmond and even the airport. And it's only going to get better with the Broadway SkyTrain station expansion. This one-bedroom unit offers 571 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, perfect for the modern living. It's an ideal choice for first-time homebuyers, young professionals, or anyone who's looking for a stylish unit in a prime location. Just outside your door, you'll be on Canby Corridor, a bustling hub of cafes, boutiques, grocery stores, and some of the best restaurants the city has to offer. Unit 502 at 238 West Broadway Street isn't just a home, it's an opportunity to live in Vancouver's most vibrant neighborhood. Schedule an appointment and come see what this amazing unit has to offer today.